Hello, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to do a quick tutorial for this year's meeting speakers on how to present in our virtual platform Hopin. If you haven't yet, we encourage you to check out the Hopin attendee tutorial video after this for a comprehensive overview. To start, let's pull up your email invitation to the conference demo event from the device and location you will be using for the meeting. If you do not have a demo link, please just follow along. This email contains the registration link sent by the meeting organizers. This specific link is called a magic link, meaning it is specific to you and only you can use the link for this demo event. You will be sent another magic link in advance of the actual event. Select the Accept Registration button, and you will be redirected to the event's homepage, which is the reception area. Please note that you will have to access Hopin from the Chrome or Firefox browser. Hopin doesn't support other browsers at this time. Once there, navigate to the Sessions area and click into one of the example sessions. You should have an option to share audio and video pop up on screen for the purposes of this demo event. As a presenter in the actual event, you will instead have an option to request to share audio and video on screen. Click this, and a waiting for permission response will appear. Once given permission, an audio-video settings window will pop up. Within this window, make sure your camera and microphone settings are set to the device you are using. Also make sure your browser is configured to use your camera and microphone within Hopin by giving Hopin permission in your browser's security and privacy settings if necessary. Lastly, before closing out this window, for this demonstration, we ask that you test stream quality to verify your AV is good. If your ratings are less than good or excellent, consider streaming from a different location. Once done, click the Remember My Settings for Future Sessions checkbox and select Apply. You should now appear on screen. Keep in mind that Hopin does not currently have virtual backgrounds, so make sure that your space is presentable at the time of your presentation. Once on screen, any attendees in the session should be able to see and hear you, and you can see how many people are watching in the top right corner of the session window. The moderation bar, which is a black bar with 4 to 5 buttons at the bottom of the window, gives the moderator control over your presentation settings. The first 2 buttons, if clicked, will mute and unmute your audio and video feeds. There's a third YouTube button that may or may not appear for this conference, allowing you to share video links directly from YouTube. The next button is the presentation button, which, if clicked, allows you to share your screen and presentations via a variety of options. For this conference, you will select Share Screen, and from there, toggle through the tab options until you find the screen or presentation you want to share. Make sure to have your PowerPoint, PDF, or Google Slides deck pulled up in the background before attempting to share them on Hopin. Please note that while you sharing your presentation may take up the entirety of your screen, from an attendee viewpoint, this is the screen that they will see. If you are sharing a Google Slide deck, you will want to share the corresponding Chrome tab. If you are sharing a PowerPoint, click to share that application window. To stop sharing, simply re-click the presentation button on the moderation bar. The last button is the audio video settings button if you need to change any settings or retest your streaming quality. Questions for your presentation will more than likely be asked in the session chat to the right, which you or the moderators can monitor as necessary for Q&A time. A moderator will take you off screen at the conclusion of your presentation. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about Hopin or would like to schedule a live demo after watching this video and the Hopin attendee video, please contact the conference organizers. See you soon.